Hey friends, let's get into why weighing food is so important if you're looking for specific goals in your nutrient intake and your body composition as well as your performance. So we're going to start out with something today that most of you will probably have as a daily food item, and that's whole rolled oats. So we're going to go into weighing a single serving of whole rolled oats. And so I've already actually pre-weighed this, so I'm just going to go ahead and weigh it out. It should be 41 grams. Whoops, we're on pounds. That's ounces. There we go. Ba-boom, 41 grams. So it actually doesn't look like a lot, but when you are weighing dry ingredients, you want to weigh them as accurately as you can. So if you're looking at the back of a whole rolled oats nutritional information to find the serving size, it will generally say that a half a cup of whole rolled oats is equal to 41 grams, and so we're going to find out. So I'm going to take this one off. We already know the portion on that guy. This one is half a cup. I'm going to tear this one out and see what we got. 61 grams. A little different than what we might have expected from half a cup of whole rolled oats, which is supposed to be 41 grams, which is the same serving as it's showing on the nutritional info. So this is just one example of why it is so important to actually weigh out your food items. Okay, so 20 grams of carbohydrates is a huge difference when it comes to what you thought was a single serving. And if you're having whole rolled oats or an item like this that you're weighing out or not weighing out and just doing the serving size in terms of cups or half a cup, that will make an additional 140 grams of carbohydrates over the course of 7 days if you're having this food item daily. So items like this that creep into your day where you're not tracking them accurately can make a huge impact. And we're not asking that you have to do this for the rest of your life. You don't need to do it when you're going out to dinner, but when you're at home and you actually have the advantage of weighing food items, it can be super, super helpful for your goals.